Hi my friends, Sam Villa here. Today I want to share with you a technique called wrap and twist, working with a Marcel iron. You have a lot of clients looking for an organic finish, just some bend, some movement in their hair. How do you create that with an iron? Today's organic finish, if you will. We're going to work with a Marcel iron, and we're going to work with our Redken Iron Shape 11, our thermal heat protector. Not an option, a necessity. Now, when working with an iron, it's about working with it in today's world non-conventionally, because I don't want those curls that are so crisp. I want something loose, something soft. So we're going to work with random sections. Don't think of this as a method where it's so precise in terms of your sectioning. So I'm just going to come through, just pick up a section, and then all I want to do is hit that with my Iron Shape 11. We're going to comb that product through. Then we're going to simply take the iron, we're going to season the hair. So I want you to season the hair with a passive heat. Just start to break the bonds up a little bit. When you practice these techniques with a Marcel, work with it cold first. Make sure that you work with a nice smooth pass so you're not getting any creases. We're going to come through working it back and away, and I go wrap. Now watch what I'm going to do. As I wrap, now watch me twist underneath and continue to twist out to the end and slide out. So it's just a real simple technique in terms of what you're doing. Don't be so conventional. Take another random section. So we take random sections. We're going to come in once again. Notice that the barrel is on the top. The blade is underneath. So we're going to come through. We need to season the hair first. But first of all, our thermal heat protector. We're going to come through, comb through. Now we're going to come through with our Marcel. Season the hair. Passive heat. Now come through, wrap, a half wrap. As you come out, click, twist, and release. Very, very casual. Don't touch them. Leave them alone. And you're coming through and passing through the entire head. Now, I love working with a Marcel iron doing this technique versus a spring activated because it allows me to click my way out. If I use a spring activated, I find a lot of times what happens is I'm getting creases in the hair. Once again, thermal heat protector, combing through, coming through, season with heat, half wrap, and now barrel goes underneath and just twist your way out. Notice I'm not even concerned about passing the barrel through the ends. The means to creating today's ends is simply going through and leaving them straight. Okay, once again, random sections. So I'm working from the top all the way down, just random sections, my friends. The smaller the section, the more intense the curl. The larger the section, the softer the movement. Now, when we're passing through this, notice I season that, boom, half a wrap, come through, and out I come. When we work with an iron, one of the things I want you to notice most of the time we hit the base of the section first. Why? Because that is the weakest part of the hair shaft or the ends. That's where it's weak. So it's going to take a curl almost immediately. But the base is so strong. So we start at the base. Now we know that the ends are weakened, so let's just come through, twist our way, and just pass a small amount of heat on the ends. Now I'm going to continue to do this to the entire head, just randomly picking up sections. Now, as you can see, we've completed the technique. Now it's time for the comb out, which is probably the most critical part. Because it was so soft the way we worked with the iron, it wasn't an intense amount of heat. Remember, all I want is just a small sense of volume and a small sense of movement. All right, so we're going to have Ashlyn just take her head forward. Going to work with your hands and just shake this look out. And my product of choice is my Wax Blast 10 by Redken. It's a great texturizing spray. So I'm going to come through, work with my hands, and just shake it out. Look at the ends. It almost, when you finish the hair like this, it almost gives it a shattered end effect, making it look like the hair might have been cut with a razor. Our finishing product of choice is Fashion Work 12. And once again, because I want this hair to move, spray with it on your hands. Then just work your hands into your finished look, just to give it a soft amount of control, working all the way around. This is a great technique to work with clients that don't like hairspray, especially when you want your look to have some movement to it. Once again, working with a wrap and twist technique with the Marcel iron. And it is a great way to create today's organic finish. As you can see, it looks like she might have just woke up, or it looks like something where it's half done and half not. Thanks for watching, and once again, Sam Villa, we will continue to bring education to you behind the chair.